Okay guys, so let me show you the notification that I got just right now. You can see over here, this notification says that I have received Bitcoin. You can see it says your miner earned 47 Satoshi BTC for you yesterday. Now, if you are not mining Bitcoin completely free using just your smartphone or your laptop, then I'm sorry to say it, but you are already left behind. So right on this video guys, let me show you how you can be able to start mining free Bitcoin completely free using your smartphone. All right, so right now I'm going to be very honest with you guys, and I'm going to show you guys all you need to know about this particular platform that I'm about to reveal to you right now. For those of you who have been following my teaching right on this channel, I'm pretty sure a lot of you must have heard about this because I've been saying it a lot of time right here on my channel a lot. Okay, so right now guys, we are talking about the platform called GoMining. So this GoMining is a well-established platform. You can go and do your own research about it. And right now what they do is very simple. They literally allow you to earn real Bitcoin using your smartphone. Of course, they have paid version and they have the free version. I'm going to be very honest with you guys. So coming down right here, you can see that immediately you create an account, they are going to give you a free miner with about 0.1 terahash power right here. So to get started, the link is going to be on the video description box of this particular video. All right, so before we continue with the video, please, if you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe if you want to be getting more updates about how to earn cryptocurrency. Of course, on this channel we talk about how to get AI videos, how to generate it. A lot about tech are discussed on this channel. So right now we are only talking about Bitcoin mining. Okay, so coming down right here guys, you can see, like I said before, immediately you create an account, they are going to be giving you one miner. So over here I have two miner. That is because I have already bought another miner. But immediately you create an account, they are going to give you this bonus miner right here. For those of you who haven't known about it, they are going to give you this bonus miner. This bonus miner right here, and you about 10 Satoshi in Bitcoin every single day or less. This is of course the miner that I bought. Over here it has about 8 terahash power, and of course I can upgrade it if I want. This is where you basically upgrade your miner if you care. But before you do any of this, do your very good research about it. I'm not a financial advisor. You are 100% responsible for all your actions. Do your research about this, and of course you need to know that this is a very nice decision if you care. So right now guys, this is of course where you actually buy miner. Different miner comes with different reward. Okay, we have a lot of them right here. You can choose to buy anyone, and buying miner, you are not just buying it, you are also increasing your mining power, and increasing your mining power boosts your reward. Now let me take you to my wallet. So over here on my wallet, so far that I've started mining this particular token, I've got about $7.6. This started from zero, absolutely zero, and I've gotten $7.6. And guess what happens? Right now I'm earning Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin that I've earned so far. And guess what happens when the price of Bitcoin starts rising? The money right here that I've earned so far will also start rising. Okay, and this is GoMining token. This token is the native token of this particular platform, and what happens is that this token right here is currently very cheap, very cheap. And when the price of this token goes up, the price of the token on your wallet right here will start going up as well. So right here I'm earning both Bitcoin and GoMining token at the same time. Coming down right here, this is the transactions that I've been getting. This is where I am actually earning Bitcoin. This shows, like, this is the transaction that I've been earning. This is the transaction history. This is all I have been earning from this particular mining machine. And guess what? The withdrawal right here is absolutely mind-blowing. So over here on the home page, you look over here, you can see the referral right here. When you click on it, this referral is very important. Remember, if you are joining in, make sure to use my invitation code mechanic. Just write mechanic on the invitation code, write it in capital letter. That's my invitation code. So over here guys, I've got about $3.7 from my invitation, and of course once you are invited, you have 30 days to take the advantage of being referred by me. For example, you get 5% bonus on terahash on the first miner, meaning that when you buy the first miner, you get 5% bonus, and this is for the first 30 days. After 30 days, you won't have this opportunity anymore. And when you spend about $100 using the card, you get free $20, and this is also within the first 90 days, of course. And right here you can see you have a month of platinum. This is also within 30 days. So over here you can see I've got about 78 people into this particular platform using my referral code, and trust me, those people are really enjoying it. Right now, start mining. Even if you're not ready to purchase any mining machine yet, you can just start with the the bonus miner, because the bonus miner is going to be earning you Bitcoin every single day. You can just start with the bonus miner, which is this one that I've got right here. Immediately you create an account, they are going to be giving you this one immediately. So this is all you need to know right now concerning this particular platform. Remember, the link is going to be on the video description box. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you immediately. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I'll be dropping very soon.